Every bank in the world depends on one fragile thing: trust.
Did you see the news about the bank?
Yes, we have to get our money out now before it's too late.
And that moment is when a bank run begins.
Let us in, we want our money. Hurry up, open the door!
And suddenly, the bank must find cash faster than it ever expected.
Thank you so much. I appreciate the help.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
But banks do not keep all that money in their vaults.
Most deposits are used to finance loans and investments.
These loans often last for years or even decades. And that structure creates a delicate balance inside banking.
But the bank's assets are often tied to long-term loans.
Many of those loans cannot be repaid immediately.
So the banking system relies on a simple assumption.
Not everyone will withdraw their money at the same time.
A bank run often begins with a simple rumor.
Did you see this about the bank shares plunging?
Yes. Are our deposits safe?
Did you hear why they are limiting withdrawals?
No, but this waiting is making me nervous. I hope the bank is secure.
And their actions send a powerful signal to others.
Soon, fear spreads faster than facts.
I need my money right now!
Sir, we are handling this as fast as we can.
How much longer is this gonna take?
The bank suddenly needs far more cash than usual.
But most of the bank's money is tied to long-term assets.
Those assets cannot easily be turned into cash overnight.
And the longer the line grows, the worse the panic becomes.
To meet withdrawals, the bank must quickly raise cash.
It begins selling bonds and other financial assets.
But selling assets quickly often means accepting lower prices. Losses begin appearing on the bank's balance sheet.
A liquidity problem can quickly become a solvency crisis. Bank runs were not new to American history.
During the Great Depression, thousands of banks collapsed.
I want my money out now!
We trusted you with our savings.
Get back, sir! We are doing the best we can!
Many banks simply ran out of cash.
And millions of Americans lost their savings.
The banking crisis forced the government to act.
In 1933, the United States introduced deposit insurance.
The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation was created.
Your deposit is fully insured, Mr. Smith. Everything is perfectly safe here.
And slowly,
Trust returned to the banking system.
Modern banking is deeply connected to digital technology.
Depositors can move money instantly through online banking.
Money can now travel across banks in seconds.
And that speed can turn fear into panic very quickly.
In 2023, a new bank run shocked the financial world.
Silicon Valley Bank had become central to the tech industry.
But rising interest rates weakened its bond portfolio. When the bank reported losses, confidence collapsed.
Within hours, depositors began moving billions of dollars.
Venture capital firms warned startups to withdraw their funds.
Companies rushed to move their deposits out of the bank.
In a single day, tens of billions of dollars were withdrawn.
The bank could not raise cash fast enough.
Within 48 hours, the bank collapsed.
The collapse of Silicon Valley Bank shocked financial markets.
Investors began examining the health of other banks.
Some regional banks faced sudden withdrawal pressure.
Bank stocks fell as fear spread across the market. Authorities moved quickly to prevent a wider crisis.
The Federal Reserve stepped in to stabilize the system.
Emergency lending programs were quickly activated.
These programs allowed banks to access immediate liquidity. The new rates are very competitive right now. It's a good time to reinvest.
That's wonderful news. I appreciate the help.
But the crisis left an important lesson behind.
Bank runs begin when confidence suddenly disappears.
Money could maintain turn banks. Even healthy banks can face panic if trust collapses.
The entire banking system ultimately depends on trust.
And when trust breaks, the system feels the shock.
Behind every bank account lies a promise.
A promise that money will always be there.
But that promise exists only as long as trust survives.
When trust disappears, panic can spread in minutes.
In banking, trust is the most valuable asset of all.